Hello, my name is Jake with Classic Trim Parts, and today I'll show you how to replace the center console armrest push button, and that is this black button right here. So you want to start by pushing the armrest forward if possible. Some buttons may be broken, so you may not be able to do that, and then just open up the cover. And there are 4 Torx bolts on this armrest, and we provide a Torx tool to replace that, to remove those, and that'll be step 1 right there. So for this next step, I've brought the armrest cover here inside, and you're going to want to flip it over, and you're going to use a small Phillips screwdriver, and I would recommend using a plastic bag because these are small screws that we're going to be removing, and there's 9 of them. So we have 2 over here, 1 at the end, and then 4 in the center and 2 here. So just remove those 9 screws and put the screws in the bag. So I've got the screws set aside here, and once they're all removed, you can easily take off this plate from this end here. This section here will be over here, and just lift this plate and set it aside. Once you remove that, you're going to take a larger screwdriver and a separate bag, because these 8 screws here, there's 4 along the top, 4 along the bottom here, and remove those and put them in a separate bag because they are a different size screw than the ones we removed off that plate. So now with the screws removed, you could take off this top plate and set it aside, and there's a small rod right here connecting through this lever. And just take a small paper clip or another small object and push that rod out from that lever. Just like that. Okay, so now with the rod removed, you can take out this lever, and the push button can come right out. You could push any remnants out from the piece, just like that. And now take your new button, and these are sold on our website. The original buttons are only in black, but we do sell them in all of the OEM Mercedes colors. So slide that in there, just like that, and set the arm back in place. And replace your rod here. Just got to find the holes so you could slide it in, and you might have to use some force, like an object, to push it through, but that will be the next step. And then everything here will basically be done in reverse, so you could put this top plate back on and replace the 8 screws there. So I've replaced those 8 screws, and remember, those were the larger screws, and now with the smaller screws that we took off first, you can place this plate back on top and then replace all 9 of these. So I've come back down in the garage now, and you can take your armrest cover with the button in front and find the 4 Torx slots again, and those Torx slots will be towards the front of the armrest. There are 4 holes, and you can align those holes back up again, and using the Torx screwdriver, just replace the armrest again. So I've replaced the 4 Torx screws, and if you close your armrest, the button should be fully functional and sliding again. So once again, you can find this part, the center console armrest push button, on our website. I only have the black button here, but it's available in all OEM colors on our website, so you can repair your armrest button today. Thanks for watching.